Hello, welcome to the video. In this question, excuse me, we're asked to sketch a line that is increasing and nearly horizontal. So let's take a minute and remember what this means. Increasing means the line is going uphill from left to right. So if we picture a person standing at the base of it, uphill from left to right. Oh, sorry, having some trouble with my pen. Means the person standing at the base of it, they're walking up. Horizontal means flat. So it's nearly horizontal, meaning it's almost flat. So we think about there's very little vertical change. So our guy is climbing uphill, but only a very little bit. Try to make it just a little bit, maybe even less than that. Nearly horizontal. I'm also going to look ahead to the next part of the question because I want to keep it in mind as I draw the line. The question also asked me to find the slope of the line. The best way to find the slope of a line is to calculate rise over run between 2 points. So when I draw my line, I want to pick 2 points that I can clearly and easily see the coordinates of. Alright, so let's go ahead and graph our line. We can pick any starting point we like. How about this one? I'll pick this one. And it needs to be increasing from left to right. So as I move horizontally, I need to be also moving up, but I don't want to move up too much because then it's not going to look horizontal anymore, close to horizontal. So I'll just move up maybe just that little bit. So move from left to right, from here to here, and go up just a tiny bit. So I'm going slightly uphill, but not too much. Now I want to connect those points with a straight edge. Once you have them connected, always make sure to put arrows on both ends. And now we can think about calculating our rise over our run to answer part 2 of the question, the slope. So here's my starting point, moving from left to right to this point. So I'm moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps over. So I have a run of 8, and I'm moving up just 1 step. So my rise was 1. So my slope for the line I have drawn is equal to 1/8. And some fun things I can do to check here. The line is supposed to be increasing, which means my slope should be a positive number, and the number I calculated was positive, so that's a good verification that I've done this correctly. And it's nearly horizontal. Remember, a horizontal line has slope of 0, so if my line is nearly horizontal, my slope should be very close to 0. And the fraction 1/8 is a very small number, fairly close to 0, so it's further verification that both of the criteria have been met.